It's not working for me.
The girl.
Yeah. The girl. Right, only got one photo on there. Do you think the girl?
Oh, it's hard.
The girl? That one's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, listen to this. It's working. Don't worry about it.
You're only batteries now.
Doesn't matter. When I get it home, there's plenty of photos. Still works. And she will be, and she's going to a good home. She'll be well looked after. She really will be.
Gran, will we be able to take him to class?
I don't think so. You've got to concentrate on your work.
Coco's allowed to come to class.
Oh, you mean at California?
Yeah, no, she's
all like that, I want, yeah. Oh, that's an issue for the batteries, isn't it? Well, what did you do when they happened to you? Batteries went up and going on. What did you do? I took them out and put them back in again.
They're all got gorgeous little faces.
They all.
Look at this little one here. So gorgeous. Is it? Yeah. Oh.
That one's the biggest one.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, look at him, just a baby knee.
Oh, that one's shaking.
Oh.
He probably thinking, now where's my dinner?
Yeah, where's Mum?
Where's the dinner?
It's done at me coat.
I thought I'll feed them after you come because they jump in food.
Yeah.
Who's there?
They make. So I can put out a
She's
bowl.
coming home with me,
They
see?
push it, they push each other out, they fight for it.
Yeah.
So I have to fight for my every time I have dinner. Because I get it everywhere, like I get this to me.
Tiny ears. Look at the ears.
I love you too.
I do like
Yeah, look. Yeah. Oh. Well, we've made it. Okay, Monique, you happy about that?
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Now got to think of names.
Yeah, now we've got to think of a girl name now.
Yeah, it's funny when you look at them like this, we're thinking of 2 weeks and
I know.
we're up and...
Yeah, it doesn't take long, does it?
No, we were in our for that before, we were used to them when they go.
Yeah.
The white one is the mum and the grey one is the daddy.
But in reality, we have two to look after that have been a little neglected, so they've been our time back again. So